Now we're going to talk about progress summary of the professional development goal. So looking back at our first goal to engage in workshop and professional development sessions on culturally responsive or relevant teaching practices using developed unit plans and integrating culturally diverse texts. 90% of teachers will report satisfaction with the professional development sessions and the process of integrating culturally responsive teaching practices. All 36 teachers will successfully develop and implement unit plans, integrating culturally diverse texts. Engagement will improve at least 15%, and this will be noticeable by classroom observations and student feedback. And also, observations will indicate an improvement in student achievement in 25 out of 36 teachers. And the remaining 11 will continue to receive further professional development and individualized targeted support on developing using culturally relevant teaching practices.